and welcome to your English class. Students, today I am going to explain some tips of solving unseen passages or comprehension, which is very important part of your question paper, and you can start easily if you know the tips of solving this passage in limited time. Let's know what are the tips of solving this. This is the passage which is found in section A, reading section of your question paper, which is not from your textbook, which is totally unseen for you. That's why it is called unseen passages. It may be descriptive or factual, means based on fact or any other story or any article. Some questions based on this are given below the passage, and after reading the passage you have to solve these. This type of questions are given for testing your reading skills. The passage may be long or short according to your class ability. Let's rock and know some important tips to get 100% marks in unseen passages. Now come to the part what should we keep in mind before going through the passage. Before going through the passage, go through the question based on it. Do not read the passage first. Keep in mind. Do not read the passage first. Read the questions given below the passage first. After that, go through the passage. Hold the pencil, and since you all have gone through the question, you will get answers one by one. Mark the answer lightly in the question paper, and that will help you to solve the passage quickly. Try to do section 1 in the beginning of the exam. Do not leave it for the last, because if you will get less time at last, then you can lose the marks, because the answers of the unseen passages are given inside the passages, and you can search that easily and score 20 out of 20 in this section using some skills. Let's see some important skills. To develop a better level of comprehension, one requires certain skills. First one is logical ability, means you will have to think logically at the time of going through the passage. The ability of infer means it is not necessary that you know the meaning of each and every word, so you will have to use your infer ability, means you will have to guess sometime. Analytical ability, you have to think deeply and analyze the things. Reasoning ability, try to think the reason behind it. Ability to understand the main motive or the idea of the author, means what the author want to say in the passage. Reading speed, it is very important. You have to read speedily. Vocabulary power, your vocabulary power must be strong to understand the unseen passage. Remember some important information from the passage. Otherwise, we need to refer the paragraph again and again, which will consume more time. I think you all must follow these skills or tips at the time of solving your unseen passage. Now, a very brief flow chart to summarize and get a better understanding. Let's see. Comprehension, as I have discussed earlier, for solving a comprehension, you will have to improve your analytical ability, inference power, vocabulary power, reading speed, logical ability, and reasoning ability. If you are doing, then awesome. And if not, then now you have to do this. Important strategy to solve comprehension passage. Let's take a quick review. Read the paragraph as fast as possible. Get involved with the paragraph to understand it. Underline important line or parts of the paragraph or passage to answer the questions. It will also help to understand the main idea of the passage or the tone or mood of the author. Try to translate a complex line in an easy one in your own words and your own language. This will help you in analyzing the main idea of the paragraph and in seeking the cause and effects of the passage. Underline or mark the keywords. This will help you to describe the logical connection in the passage and help in understand it better. Try to understand some certain unfamiliar word by reading the line thoroughly. The theme of the line will make you understand the meaning of the words. Determine the main idea, tone and mood, inferential, reasoning and other detail from the paragraph. Do not assume anything based on your personal belief. Look back at the paragraph when in doubt. Read the question and all the alternatives provided and choose the most appropriate one. If you all are doing these things, awesome! Students, thank you. Stay safe at your home and score highest in your examination. Try to score 100%.